In this video, let's explore the power of NPV, net present value, and IRR internal rate of return functions in Microsoft Excel. These are key financial functions for evaluating investments and making informed business decisions. We are going to learn how to analyze investment profitability. So, what exactly is NPV? NPV, or net present value, is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and cash outflows over a period of time. The Excel formula for NPV is straightforward. It's equals NPV open parenthesis rate, value 1, value 2, and so on close parenthesis. Let's look at an NPV example in Excel. Suppose we have an initial investment of negative $100,000 in year 0, followed by cash flows of $30,000 in year 1, $35,000 in year 2, $40,000 in year 3, and $45,000 in year 4. Assuming a discount rate of 10%, the Excel formula to calculate NPV would be equals NPV, open parenthesis, 10%, B3 B6, close parenthesis plus B2. This formula calculates the present value of the future cash flows and adds it to the initial investment to give the net present value. Now let's understand IRR. IRR, or internal rate of return, is the discount rate that makes the net present value of all cash flows from a particular project equal to 0. The Excel formula for IRR is equals IRR, open parenthesis, values, and an optional guess value within square brackets, close parenthesis. Let's illustrate IRR with an example in Excel. Using the same cash flows as before, with an initial investment of negative $100,000 and subsequent yearly cash flows, the Excel formula to calculate IRR would be simply equals IRR, open parenthesis, B2 B6, close parenthesis. This formula calculates the internal rate of return based on the series of cash flows provided. Now let's compare NPV and IRR. NPV shows the dollar value of an investment and requires a discount rate. It is particularly useful for ranking different projects. On the other hand, IRR shows the percentage return of an investment and does not need a discount rate. It is generally easy to understand. When making decisions using NPV and IRR, follow these rules. For NPV, if the NPV is greater than 0, you accept the investment. If the NPV is less than 0, you reject the investment. For IRR, if the IRR is greater than the required rate of return, accept the investment. If the IRR is less than the required rate, reject the investment. Here are the key takeaways from this video. NPV shows the dollar value of an investment, while IRR shows the percentage return rate. Both functions are essential tools to help you evaluate investment profitability. Therefore, you must master these functions for better business decisions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.